I am going to show you a way to increase your jackpot and second prize opportunities. By doing this, it's going to give a chance for more players to share those two major prizes. I'm going to be looking at the September 11th draw. There was no jackpot prize winner and two second prize winners. This is the fourth draw with no jackpot prize win. As I state, I'm going to be using a mathematical formula to do this. At the end of this, I'm going to show how you can do this on your own by supercharging 4 tickets. Some of you may already be using this method, but don't realize how powerful it is. I wrote this program to test something else, to be able to test how many of the smaller prizes could be won by using this method. Then I found that it was producing multiple second prizes and produced very good results on the jackpot. Sometimes multiple jackpots, sometimes no jackpots, I will admit, but also many times multiple jackpots. You're going to see that in a moment. We're going to run the test. This one here is run on 48 numbers. That covers every single number in the lottery except for one. Because of this, it's only going to take 10 minutes to run, because what I'm going to do is to look at the results from 0 tickets to 2.5 million, 2.5 to 5, all the way up to 20 million tickets. Because of the size of this draw, I think that there might be more than 20 million tickets sold. I really don't know the numbers because the Lottery Corporation doesn't publish it. I looked at some websites on U.S. lotteries, and when the draw gets to be quite large, they experience 3 times the volume of tickets. I'm going to be looking at the September 11th draw, which just passed. These are the numbers that were drawn. This is the bonus number. There was no jackpot prize winner and 2 second prize winners. This is going to give us a chance to compare the results of using this method in comparison to the method that players are playing with now. The first thing that's going to happen is the computer is going to construct a net. This is the calculation of the net. It's 2,024 tickets in comparison to the lottery method of 12,271,512 tickets. The method that I'm recommending for players to use is this method here for supercharged tickets. If you play with more than 4 tickets, these are the other options that are available to you. This method here is actually equal to 10,626 of these here. Let's run the test. That will give you some more information as the test is running. You can see what's happening here. These are numbers that are drawn. It's checking all of this net. If 2 numbers fall into one section, 2 numbers in another, 1 in a bonus, it'll be a second prize win. If it's 2, 2, and 2, it'll be a jackpot prize win. I color-coded this so it's a little bit easier for you to follow. Every time that this number is changing, it's completely rebuilding this net, which is randomly selected. These would represent your most favorite number, second, third, fourth, and so on. This formula is not based on the numbers. You can use whatever numbers you want. You can use your own favorite numbers. You can use the most drawn numbers, the least drawn numbers. It doesn't make any difference. The formula works independent of that. That is why it's so good. You can continue to use your favorite numbers. I wouldn't change that method, but anyways, you can do whatever you want. And just structure these numbers so that they have more power, that they become supercharged. We're at this point here, which is about 1,800,000 tickets. and still no win. This is going to be winning all sorts of smaller prizes, such as the 5, 4, 3-number prize. I'm not looking at that. I'm only interested in the two major prizes, the jackpot and the second prize. I have run this test so many times. I've never experienced a situation where it has not produced second prizes. Sometimes as many as 16. Oh. Okay, here's our first example. Double, double, single, bonus. Had this been over here, it would be a jackpot. Okay, so we got our first second prize at 3,179,704 tickets. Every time this number is changing, it's equivalent to 2,024 tickets. By using this method, none of these tickets are repeated. They're all individual tickets. The reason I cannot show a live, let me show you this once again. Okay, so here we have a double, double, single, and a bonus. That's the second prize. The reason I cannot show you the test with 4 supercharged tickets is because it takes 5 days to run. This one here is going to take about 10 minutes. At the end of this, I will show you 4 supercharged tickets, how to create them. You can do this very easy on your own. It will only take you a couple of minutes. And you would use the same method for larger ticket purchases. The problem is it might be a little more complicated for you to calculate, but you can do it just using the same method. And I will also show you the result, test result of Okay, just to summarize, we already have 2 second prizes. The results took place in between 2.5 to 5 million. You can see it right here. The first one came in at 3 million. The next one, 627,000. If you add these two numbers, it's 4,700,000 or 4,800,000 tickets. That equals the result of the last draw. The last draw was for a large prize, I think around 11 million. I'm not really sure. Anyways, it's a large prize. There was no jackpot prize winner and only 2 second prize winners. I've already posted about 5 other videos. You can take a look at those, and they're all for individual draws. Another second prize win, double, single, and a bonus, double. So we've beaten the results from the last draw. 0 and 2. We're right now at 0 and 3. This method will work on any lotto of this type where you're selecting 6 numbers and the jackpot is matching all 6 and the second prize is matching 5 in the bonus. We've just passed the halfway point. Another second prize, double, single, bonus, another double. Takes 3 of these to make one ticket. So far, I'm accomplishing my goal. The draw had 2 second prize winners. So far, this method has produced 4 second prize winners, so it's doubled up on that. More people are sharing the prize. Here's the jackpot. Double, double, double. Takes 3 to make a ticket. This happened after 12,605,000 tickets. The odds are 1 in 13 million, so that seems to be right in the area of the odds. If you look at some of the previous results, you'll see some tests that have over 6 jackpot prize winners. Here's another second prize, double, double, single, and bonus. Had this been over here, it would be a jackpot. The odds of that happening is about 1 in 3. This is where your luck comes in. It's how you position your numbers. Once you've done that, the math takes over. Another second prize, single, bonus, double, 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 1, 2, 3, make 1 ticket. At the end of this test, I'm going to show you 10 consecutive tests. And you'll see the results, and you can see how they vary from one test to another test. The plan in the future is to create a machine or a site where you can go, and if you want to quick pick tickets, you can quick pick tickets from let me get you on this here first. Okay, double, 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 jackpot. You will be able to quick pick tickets from ones that have been created by this method, so that no ticket will be duplicated. It will create the same master net up to 20 million tickets. And you can expect results like this, and like the ones that you will see when I show you the 10 consecutive tests. Somewhere down the road, people are going to refer to this as the second method of play. The first method is what's been used for the last 39 years, which is quick picks, selecting your own favorite numbers, buying as many tickets as you can afford. This one here will be selecting your favorite numbers, or you can quick pick those numbers. The computer will structure the mathematical net. Second prize, you can follow the results on the right. You can see how that was formed. Obviously, you can pause your video so you can look at this in more detail. Just as we're getting to the end, we have another jackpot, double, double, double. Just to give you like second prize. So we're now at 8 second prizes and 3 jackpots. Had these tickets been bought, there would be a lot of very happy people. Okay, the test is over. We have 3 jackpot prizes, 1, 8 second prizes, 1. If people had played this method in this draw and then produced these results, there would be a lot of happy players. Let me show you the 10 consecutive tests now. First test, 2 jackpots, 8 second prizes. Second, 1 jackpot, 11 second. Third, 1 jackpot, 4 second. Fourth, 2 jackpot, 17 second. Fifth, 12 second, no jackpots. Sixth, 3 and 9. Fifth, 5 second. Eighth, 1 and 8. Ninth, 1 and 6. 10th, 1 and 9. Now we're back to the one that we just tested, 3 and 8. Here is the proof. The rest is up to you. You can continue to play the old way, which you've been doing for the last 39 years if you started this at the very beginning of the lottery, or you can switch over to this method. I'm going to show you how to WizNet 4 supercharged tickets that produce very good results, and I will show you those results. I created this little mini computer printer which helps to calculate the nets. As I mentioned, there's 21 different nets. And the way that it works is first you select the net. This one here is a 12 number net. You can see it takes 20 tickets to play this. The comparison with the lottery is Lottery Corp would be 924. Second, you punch in your numbers according to your favorite numbers. This is where your luck is going to come in. And this is where the math comes in. This is the net gets pushed out. The net is the effective tool for catching prizes. It's not really number based. That's why you can use your own favorite numbers. You don't have to use a quick pick or the top numbers. Although you can use any numbers. It doesn't make any difference. It's time for me to show you how to supercharge 4 tickets. The computer is selecting the 8 numbers randomly picked, creating the net. Here's the calculation for the net. Here's the lottery calculation for the net. They already have this, 28 tickets. This one here is 4 tickets. You can see the scale. This is the least amount of tickets that you have to play with, which is 4 tickets. I broke this up into colors so that it's easier for you to follow. The first ticket would be the numbers in the blue, the numbers in the red, yellow, blue, red, green, blue, yellow, green, red, yellow, green. Once again, blue, red, yellow, blue, red, green, blue, yellow, green, red, yellow, green. Gives you 4 tickets with none of the tickets being repeated, and it makes it into a complete net. Now I'm going to show you the result of 4 supercharged tickets.